over there, but...
Okay, we're good to go, aren't we?
Yeah, I suppose so, except I don't want to be sat down.
I mean, if both of these robots have cutout...
Oh, but wait, your magnums arrived.
Oh, God.
Who ordered the Magnum?
So they don't drive at all.
My driver's light around. It is.
Waddledee needs the new batteries immediately.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, the face!
Oh no!
Oh god.
Oh! No!
Again. Get back in those starting positions, you two.
I can fix the face. The face is fine.
What are you two doing?
Our best!
The pit was not our friend.
It's a
You know,
friend,
I'm
The
not
true
food.
definition of pit bitch.
I take part in this fight. The pit doesn't go down ever. You two stare
I'm going to bring it out a little bit more this time because we ain't going to be using it anyway. I certainly don't intend to.
No.
So.
You two stare at the pit and it just frightens itself into action.
The pit didn't like the song.
Right, well at least Duck's... At the very least, it doesn't have me repairing Duck in the background in that fight.
Okay, David, I don't know how to fix the head. It's broken.
I mean, there's a lot more head on the floor than I thought was ever in the head to begin with.
The head is 3D.
Okay.
Now, Jevon, right now, come on.
Bit Dougal there. Is it Bit Dougal? Big man wolf.
Can we just disqualify Dougal?
It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I just need to remember some breathing techniques and everything will be fine.
Oh, I think we're both still recording now.
Oh, I'll stop.
Yeah, I think there might be a bit missing on Dougal. Not
Is it the bit that makes the pit stay on?
Right, I'll charge my phone up soon.
It's 37%, so you know that's pretty big percentages.
Yeah. I'll always do with more. Right, okay, we're ready for some fun? Just keep the lolly in your mouth the entire time. You have to keep the stick there. Good.
No.
I'd love for you to laugh and just spit the stick into the arena. Cause another restart.
No, it just hits me. It's projectile. Okay, right, that's recording. That's recording. Let's do this, and I'm going to stop squatting in front of the
Your
camera.
ankles are going to be flat on the ground there. So that's very
I
grand.
know. Ed might be happy.
It's not good.
That's how you knock him in the pit.
1. Activate.
I'll allow it. Not this end, Jevon, not this end.
Oh.
Oh.
So that's a little bit of panel damage.
Ooh, that was meaty.
No.
Fire.
That was a weapon running.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh yeah, you're wedging in the way. Hello.
Oh,
There you go, that'll for it.
there's no more wedge.
You know what I'm going to do about the pitch? Not that. Am I turning in the wrong direction? Oh no, that's horrendous.
Finally. Okay.
What? My robot is
Yeah,
not
that's you.
responding correctly. It's a little bit of a mind of its own.
Oh dear, something is not happening this morning.
Something that I win damage.
No.
I like it. He's
Just
actually getting that.
pit
aren't I?
Get him in the pit.
Oh, that's not happening.
The wings are going.
Imagine if I shit house noise. It's just tell me what it wants. Half these inputs aren't even happening.
God, there is so much to clear up after this, mate.
Hello! Oops. You know I said it was doing whatever it wanted? Maybe baiting the pit wasn't the best move. To have one. It's fine, it's fine. I love how it's gone down as well.
No, Joe, no, do not hit him in the pit.
Oh! There's a really nice area at the back there.
You know what, do it, go for it. Okay.
I think for the footage alone, you might want to spin the other way though.
I'm not sure I'm able to. That's not balanced.
Oh!
There you go.
Oh. So yeah, the weapon was very unhappy at one point.
Still alive. This is the story all about how Jem and Ryan never came back ever again.
Oh, it's starting to slow down.
Be careful. Yeah, be careful, you two. You might hit the cut out here.
Okay.